morning guys, welcome to Sally's Vlog. Today's guys, mga tutag, Balay-Balay. At alam niyo ba guys, ang Balay-Balay is the capital of Bukidnon. Time check guys is 6:05. So we're now here going to Balay-Balay. Kasi galing po kami ng Aglayan guys. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. And follow guys. So guys, dito tayo sa Kasisang. Yung guys, dadaan tayo dito sa iba't ibang mga ito guys, City Hardware guys, malaki yung City Hardware namin dito sa Monterey guys. Well, sa ganitong oras guys, napakalinaw ng daan guys, walang sasakyan, walang masyadong sasakyan. At yung daan tayo ng Balay-Balay City Halls. Ito guys sa City Halls. At ngayon guys, ito sa kabila may provincial hospital tayo dito guys. Ito malaki ito, bago to guys, bago tong provincial hospital namin guys. Hindi located dito sa Kasisang guys. Yung may 7-Eleven sa kabilang daan guys. So ngayon guys, good morning. Nandito na tayo sa National Highway dito sa Manolo Forte. At ito guys, tingin nyo guys, napakalinis. At ito guys, in front po ng guys, ano guys, tingnan nyo guys, barangay banta guys, ano guys, barangay 5 ito guys. So tingnan nyo guys, napakalinis. Tingnan nyo guys, ang daan napakalinis, walang dumi guys. Ito guys, patungong Capitol Ground. So straight ka lang dito guys, Capitol Ground na yan guys. Yung paligid guys, yung daan napakalinis guys, no? Kasi dito guys, mayroong naglilinis every morning guys. It's time check guys is 6:30 in the morning. So ito guys, so wala pang daan nga nag-open kasi napakaaga pa. Ito guys, daan dito ng patungong cathedral guys. Ito guys, yan, cathedral yan sa unahan. Ito guys, yan sila ang mga street sweeper guys. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.